In this video, I'm going to talk about blog writing and layout. Some of the topics I'm going to cover are number 1, content, number 2, your bio or about us, number 3, social media buttons, number 4, formatting, number 5, color, number 6, images, and number 7, consistency. Now, let's get started with content. Post what your audience wants to read. How do you know what your audience wants to read? Very simple. Ask them and allow them to post comments. Make sure the content of your post gives value to your readers. That way, your readers will return to your blog and read more of what you have posted or will post in the future. I'm going to show you a website which is cprom.com. When you look at this website, you will see that the content gives value to its readers. This website is beautifully created and the layout is awesome. We have the header right here, and scrolling down you will see the posts. Notice that the posts on the home page are snippets of the blog content and not the full post. You can include phrases such as continue reading, read more, or read the article. You can also set it up so your readers can click on the blog post title to access the full article. This is the full article, and notice the list on this post. It is a good idea to use lists because this will provide your readers with a quick way to get the information they need. Also, make sure the paragraphs are short so it'll be easier for your readers to read through the article. Reading online is much harder than reading a printed copy. Let's move on now to the bio or the About Us page, which is right here on the right-hand side. It is important to have your bio posted on your website. When writing your bio, think about what your audience wants to know about you and what you want your audience to know about you. Your bio should include your first and last name, what you do, what is your brand, what is your story, what are your achievements, what you offer to your readers, and anything else you want your readers to know about you. Be concise though. Social media buttons. Place the social media buttons where readers can visibly see them. Suggested places are on the header, which is the area that attracts your readers first, or at the top of the sidebar, or above or below your posts. A floating bar is a good idea because it is always visible to your readers as they scroll up and down the web page. Now, let's take a look at the formatting on cprom.com. The blog site is clean and simple. So when you are formatting your blog site, make sure it is clean and simple. The column width. Take a look at the column width. Constrain the column width to 80 characters or less. This will allow the readers an easier time to read the post. Sidebars. You want to have the sidebar appear on the right-hand side so your readers can focus on your post, which is on the left-hand side. Text font. You should use sans serif fonts because they're easier for your readers to read. Examples of sans serif fonts are Verdana, Arial, Helvetica, and others. Text size, around 12 points. Avoid using all capital letters. Avoid italicizing words if possible because they're hard to read. Bold text that you want to highlight to catch your reader's attention. And have white spaces so your post will not have a cluttered feel to it. Now, let's take a look at the color aspect of this blog site. We want to contrast the text and the background colors in the post. Usually, black text on a white background is ideal. But if you want some color, black text on a light blue background works as well. Notice that the image used in cprom.com is of high quality. When using images in the blog, select a high quality image. Also select the right image in order to draw the readers to continue reading your post. Size the image as large as the blog content width. And very important, make sure that you have the permission to use the image in your blog. Lastly, I would like to talk about consistency. Be consistent. Your blog site must have the same feel and theme all throughout the pages. Use the same font style and size. If you include an image for a blog post, be consistent and have an image for every blog post. We've covered quite a bit here. Please do like this video and subscribe to the channel.